How to delete all liked songs on Spotify. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'll guide you on how you can delete all liked songs on Spotify, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. If you want to delete all liked songs on Spotify, all you have to do is go ahead and first of all make sure to launch a Spotify application here. Once you launch a Spotify app, you're going to be able to see this type of interface where what you need to do is you need to just go to this option over here that says your library, and let's say you happen to like a couple of songs over here. As you can see, a list called liked songs. If you want to remove and delete all of these liked songs, what you have to do is you just have to unlike them. Yes, it's as simple as that. Go ahead and then tap on the three dots option, and you can see all these options. You can see remove from this playlist, or you can just open that song here, and then you can just choose to unlike that song if you'd like, and whenever you unlike that song will get automatically removed from your liked songs playlist, and this way you will be able to delete all liked songs on Spotify. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.